Oblique tongue reversing. Install the lock body. Fix it with screws. Install the connecting column on the outer panel. The wire passes through the hole of the square steel. The square steel passes through the square steel hole of the lock body. Inner panels, remove battery cover. Install the inner panels. Fix it with screws. Install battery. Insert the wires into the circuit board. Install the cover plate for the handle. Fix it with screws. Fingerprint unlock. Lifting the handle of lock. The detection function is normal. The installation completed.